Welcome the our channel. Today we how to save with Facebook stock, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with Facebook stock, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to your favorite brokerage platform. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your personal information. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. Search for Facebook or Meta Platforms Incorporated in the search bar. Look at the stock price and recent performance trends. Decide how much money you want to invest in Facebook stock. Consider setting a budget that aligns with your overall financial goals. Select the number of shares you wish to purchase. Review the current market conditions and any relevant news about the company. Now, proceed to buy the shares by clicking the appropriate button. Confirm the transaction details before finalizing your purchase. After acquiring the shares, monitor their performance regularly. Review your investment periodically to ensure it meets your financial objectives. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or company news. If needed, consult financial resources or advisors for guidance on your investment strategy. Be patient and maintain a long-term perspective as you manage your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.